The Chaos to Memory Studio is a special place where we preserve memories for today and for generations to come. We enjoy welcoming guests, and our clients tell us they love the peaceful, modern design of our studio. You don't need an appointment to bring your memories in, and when you arrive, you'll be greeted at the welcome bar by one of our friendly staff members. We're ready to answer your questions and give you a free estimate, and you can check out our sample photo albums, wall art, and photo restorations. One of our most popular services is our archival photo scanning, where we use the same camera scanning technique you'll find in leading museums and archives. Our clients love knowing they're getting the best possible quality, and we love knowing we can scan anything, including prints, slides, negatives, albums, scrapbooks, and documents. We also convert more than 30 formats of home movies and audio, including tapes, reels, and discs. Our large collection of vintage electronics allows us to convert and preserve home movies that otherwise couldn't be viewed or shared. One of our favorite formats to convert is old film reels, and we use a gentle process to preserve your memories in high definition and amazing quality. We love welcoming clients from all over Chicago, across the country, and around the world. When you arrive, you'll find free parking on the street or in the accessible parking garage right behind our building. And if you need a hand, our staff is ready to help you unload your project. But if you can't visit us in person, just reach out and we can arrange to ship your project to our studio. The deep desire is the same: to remember and be remembered.